ka na to, para makakuha mo. Dito ay tayo lang, kung ano gusto yan. So, hindi dapat kumanaw dito dito sa ako lahat. Okay? Bakit naman nila, hindi pa natin po, ay mo kamara dito o makadula ka mo. Kamako dito, makadula ka. Bakit sila ko kamako mo ka na, ha?
Good afternoon, kids. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, kids. Excited na ba kayo? Really? Ba't parang hindi kayo nakainom ng Milo? Ba't hindi kayo masigla? Lahat ba kayo Milo drinkers? Okay. Okay, welcome students of Fisher Valley Academy. Welcome to Milo Camp Sham. This is a sports camp sort of an activity wherein you are taught how to play basketball, baseball, and soccer. Okay, so ready na ba kayo lahat? Ba't mahina? Luya mo tayo. Ulit. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, meron mo lang akong papagawa sa inyo before we're gonna start the activity. When I say hep hep, you say no, you say Milo. Okay? Ulit. Hep hep! Ulit. Hep hep! Okay, let me first introduce to you all the coaches of baseball. Okay, for the baseball, ito si Coach Al. Okay, palakpak tayo. Okay. For the basketball, si Coach Mark. And for soccer, si Coach Weng. Okay? And of course, yung pinaka-importante na tao dito ngayon, si Mr. John Montalvan, ng Milo Events Coordinator natin. Okay? Of course, yung sampling team natin, headed by Mr. Ricky Yu. Okay, later, you're gonna get your free loot bags at saka yung free drinks after the activity na. So, ready na ba kayo? Okay, the game starts now.
Okay, listen, soccer group. Tanaw.